Do you know your farm animals? Take a guess. What do you think we're going to draw first? Can you tell what it is yet? Yes, it's a pig. Great job. Do you know how to spell pig? Let's say it together. P I G. Did you know pigs are very smart and clean animals? While they enjoy mud, it's to help them cool down. What are we going to draw next? Take a good guess. What farm animal could it be? Do you know what it is yet? Yes, it's a cow. Great job. Do you know how to spell cow? Let's spell it together. C-O-W. Did you know cow's spots are unique? No cow has the same spots? What are we going to draw next? Do you know what it is yet? Yes, a horse. Great job. Do you know how to spell horse? Let's spell it together. H-O-R-S-E. Fun fact, horses can sleep standing up and lying down. How cool is that? Take a guess what we're going to draw next. It's got horns, a beard, and loves to jump and climb. Do you know what it is yet? Yes, a goat. Great job. Do you know how to spell goat? G-O-A-T. Did you know? Goats can tell their friends' voices apart, even when they can't see them. Let's do one more. It's soft, it's fluffy, and it says ba. Do you know what it is yet? Yes, it's sheep. Great job. Do you know how to spell sheep? Spell it with me. S-H-E-E-P. Did you know that sheep have excellent memories? They can remember other sheep's faces for years. Next up on the farm, it's feathery. It clucks and it lays eggs. Do you know what it is? Yes, a chicken. Great job. Do you know how to spell chicken? C-H-I-C-K-E-N. See you next time!